Hey, it's Hustle to Success here, and today I'll make the stock market easy for beginners. You might have heard about the recent trouble in the world causing the stock market to go up and down. But guess what? This can be a good time to start investing and making money, just like Warren Buffett says. So what's a stock? Think of it as a piece of a company. For example, Apple is a big company and it has many pieces or shares that people can buy. Each share has a price like $277.97. When you buy shares, you're becoming a part owner of that company. If you buy more shares, your ownership goes up. Simple, right? Now, how do you buy shares? You need a place to do it, like a website or an app. I use Wealthsimple Trade, which doesn't charge fees. In the US, there's Robinhood, another free option. But there are many others to explore. Once you pick a place, they'll guide you on how to buy shares. Don't worry, it's pretty easy. Now let's talk about making money from stocks. There are two main ways. First, you can buy shares when they're cheap and sell them when they're more expensive. This way, you make a profit. Second, some companies pay you money just for owning their shares. It's like a bonus. There are three ways to make money in stocks. You can swing trade, buy and sell quickly, buy and hold invest for a long time, or day trade, buy and sell in one day. You can choose the one that fits you best. Deciding which companies to invest in means doing some research. You can read about a company's performance on their website. If you don't want to do that, you can pick famous, reliable companies like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, or Microsoft. Or you can invest in index funds, which are like bundles of many companies. Keep in mind that taxes on stock profits can vary depending on where you live. In a nutshell, investing in stocks can help you grow your money, even if you don't have much to start with. It takes some learning, but it can be rewarding in the long run. So don't hesitate to get started.